Hi, on Malta vacations, we planned a day trip to explore Gozo and Comino islands. First, we took a flight to Malta, then a cab and a speedboat ride to reach Gozo. You can also opt for a public cruise. Our ride was really amazing. Our quiet bikes were waiting for us in Gozo, and off we went on our adventure with other people. We went to Calypso Cave, where you can see this mesmerizing view, and then we went to Ramla Beach. We also visited famous cathedrals, saw stunning seascape, old salt making location, and the viewpoint of Kala Belvedere. And then we stopped for a tasty Maltese lunch and tried some local drinks. I also tried a traditional coffee there. The best highlight of this tour was boat riding to the Lagoon, touching the high waves of the sea and passing through the lagoon. We wrapped up our day tour passing through Comino Island, stunning sea caves before heading back to our hotel. Wow, what a blast it was. Malta, you were amazing.